The cat carefully probed the snake, his steps light but never taking his eyes off the opponent. Suddenly, the snake launched an attack. The cat immediately jumped high, dodging spectacularly like a true ninja. The cat relaxes in the bathtub, unaware of the approaching snake. Suddenly, the snake attacks. The cat jumps up, unleashing its claws to counterattack strongly. The dramatic battle turns the bathtub into a thrilling arena. The cat looked attentively at the coiled snake, his eyes full of curiosity. A light touch with his front paw, as if to check, "What are you?" But the snake remained motionless, creating a tense and dramatic atmosphere.
The face-off between the black and white cat and the bright green snake is a testament to Mother Nature's raw confrontations. Though the cat may seem larger, the snake's venomous potential equalizes the playing field. In such intense duels, strategy, wit, and agility often prove more valuable than mere size. They remind us of the raw, unfiltered, and sometimes brutal confrontations that happen in nature. While cats are often seen as domestic companions, these stories highlight their wild side, their hunter instincts, and their incredible agility. Each battle, whether won or lost, stands testament to the intricate dance of life and death in the animal kingdom.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
The cat watched the snake enter in the middle of the night. His face was careful like a warrior on guard, ready to respond to any situation. The cat approached the snake, his expression cautious as if assessing his opponent, both curious and careful like a detective investigating the scene.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
The cat plays with the snake like he's discovering a new toy, waving his hands gently but still keeping a safe and vigilant distance. The cat looked at the frog and picked up the snake, his face bewildered as if to ask, "What the hell is going on?"
The funniest moment is still ahead. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.
The cat lowered its body, its fur stood up. Its eyes never left the snake. Claws raised high, each step cautious. Both were like gladiators ready for an intense battle.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to give me more motivation to create more adorable content. Which moment made you laugh the most? Comment below so we can laugh together again. And make sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss the next hilarious cat videos.